What's up, guys? I've been getting some requests. Wondering what my exhaust sounds like. My setup I currently got. Right now I'm running HKS high power L-Spec, which is the lightweight version, catback, and then I'm running a Tanabe Front Pipe, which is no resonators, it's just a straight pipe. And then I'm running a Motiv Overpipe, which is 2.5 inches. And then I'm also running the Nameless Longtube headers, which has no catalytic converter. And I'll show you that right now. Those are my long tubes right there. Kind of stick right up by the fan shroud, right underneath the intake. Excuse the oxidation, but that was out of my control. I bought the car that way. But yeah, so I took a couple sound clips today. I didn't get a cold start, did a hot start, and then a couple little revs to 2,500 RPMs, and then some normal driving, and then some spirited driving. So let me know what you think. Thanks. So now that you've heard it, I think there's a little rasp, more than I wanted. I could probably quiet it down significantly by running a resonated mid pipe or even one with a high flow cat, but I don't know, it doesn't bother me. And the catback, I was running agency power catback and it was really loud. And then I put this exhaust on there and it quieted it down significantly. So I think that I've toned it back a good bit. I really like the setup right now. I'm running the OFT, the open flash tablet. I'm running a stage 2, equal length, obviously because the long tubes are equal length. And it's the off-the-shelf tune. And it's pretty awesome. Hopefully I got rid of that torque dip. I don't know if I haven't thrown it up on the dyno yet, so couldn't even tell you. But other performance mods, I've got a HKS drop-in filter with a Greddy intake duct and a Mishimoto intake tube elbow. And I've cut off the resonator. I plugged the resonator, sound tubes plugged, just because the long tubes obviously take up that spot right there. As you can see, here's the plug right there, and the resonator would touch that. And I've already had to heat wrap a couple things, as you can see down here, the resonator off the intake box. Mostly I'm still running the stock intake box because I don't want to do any scaling of my mass airflow, so I don't want to have to manually do that. And this was the safest way. Engine wise, that's pretty much all I got done. Like I said, the reflash, intake, exhaust, Suspension is in work in progress. We're running coilovers, Apexy coilovers, the N1 EXVs, and we've got them set a little bit stiffer than midway. And then we've got Buddy Club lower control arms, and then we've got SPC rear toe arms. It sits pretty low. We can adjust it lower. Kids' toys. But yeah, we're still messing with it. There's a bunch more coming. But let me know what you think about the exhaust. Thanks, guys.